In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to work with your Google Drive files offline. Perfect for when you're traveling, without internet, or just need access to certain files at all times. Let's get started. We need to open the Finder, which is the file management app on our Mac. Go to the Google Drive on the sidebar. Find the folder either in My Drive or in the shared drives that you want to work offline. Right-click on the folder and select Make Available Offline from the menu. Your selected folder and its contents will now be downloaded to your computer and accessible even without internet. Once you're reconnected to the internet, right-click on that same folder and select Make Available Online Only. This will stop storing those files locally and ensure that changes are synced to the cloud. Only mark folders offline that you'll need frequently. This helps save space on your device. If you should have any questions or need assistance, please contact the GTS helpline at 507-933-6111 or email at helpline@gustavus.edu.